Hi, Matt Suing from Estate Law Partners. Meeting with an estate planning attorney and creating the best type of trust for you is a big step, but creating the trust isn't the end. Creating a trust without funding it is like buying a car and not putting gas in the tank, or moving into a house without any furniture. A trust can only protect your assets if they're part of the trust. If you die or become incapacitated and your trust is not funded, it's only doing half the job. So how do you fund a trust? For assets like checking, savings, investment accounts, or real estate, I like to use the analogy of the Olympic medals. You get the gold medal by retitling or changing the ownership to the name of your trust. Rather than having your name on the account, you change the title ownership to your trust. As the trustee and beneficiary, you can do whatever you want with the account. In the event of incapacity or death, the account would already be in the name of your trust, and your successor trustee can act immediately without any hassle or delay. The silver medal would be to add a POD, or payable on death beneficiary, that names your trust as the beneficiary upon death. It's not the gold standard, since a POD is useless during your lifetime, and it is not as a seamless transition for your successor trustee, since they would have to fill out a bunch of paperwork before they can take control of the account. Though it is better than the bronze medal of trust funding, which is using a Washington will provision and a marital property agreement, or what I call a magic wand section in your trust that says that you wish to transfer assets to your trust. Totally off the medal stand is having the backup pour-over will transfer the bank account to your trust through the probate process. Other assets can only be funded by using beneficiary designations. Many people choose to make the trust the primary beneficiary of life insurance policies. Depending on your circumstances, retirement accounts, including 401k, 403b, and IRAs, can also fund your trust upon death through beneficiary designations. I like to think of trust and funding like a funnel. The goal is to get your assets into that funnel so that upon death, they go out of that funnel according to the trust playbook. Preparing a list of the assets that are placed in your trust provides a beautiful tool to your trustees so they know exactly where your assets are and where to go to follow your instructions. If you need guidance about creating a trust or funding a trust, we invite you to contact Estate Law Partners so we can help you understand better the funding process.